Welcome back children to lesson number 9 of your EVS subject land. In my last video we learnt about types of soil. So today let's answer these questions which are given on page number 77 of your textbook. First question is, what are the different types of soil? Children, soil is classified into three main types based on its components, that is sandy soil, clayey soil and alluvial soil. And soil is also classified on the basis of its color, that is red soil, black soil and brown soil. Next question is, on which type of soil water is not seen after it rains? Children, no water is seen on sandy soil after it rains because water holding capacity of sandy soil is less. Next question is, which type of soil becomes sticky and slippery after it rains? Clayey soil becomes sticky and slippery after it rains because it holds the water. The water holding capacity of clayey soil is medium. Last question is, which type of soil is more fertile? Children, alluvial soil is more fertile soil because it contains organic matter which makes the soil fertile. Now children, take out page number 78. Today again we will do one activity. For that activity we need 3 transparent bottles, 3 plastic or glass funnels. You can take the strainer also which your mother is taking to strain the water, 3 pieces of cotton cloth, water, sandy, clayey and loamy soil. Loamy means alluvial soil. Now children, let's see the procedure. Take samples of sandy, clayey and alluvial soil. Take 3 transparent bottles of equal size. Label one bottle with sand, other with clay and third with alluvial. Keep 3 funnels on the mouth of the bottle. Wet cotton cloth in them. According to the labels on the bottles, put equal quantity of soil in the funnel. Add equal quantity of water to each funnel. Now children, observe the activity which we have performed. Children, now make a table and write in that types of soil and their observation. Okay. Here you have to see rate of flow of water, level of water in bottle, amount of water left in the funnel. And under types of soil you have to write sandy soil, clayey soil and alluvial soil. Now children, see rate of flow of water in sandy soil. Children, this table is on page number 78. As I say the answer, you just mark it in your textbook. So children, rate of flow of water in sandy soil is fast, in clayey soil it is medium and in alluvial soil it is slow. So children, by this we can conclude that sandy soil has minimum water holding capacity. Now children, second observation, level of water in bottle. Children, in jar which has sandy soil, you will see that level of water is more. In clayey soil it is medium and in alluvial soil it is less. Children, if water holding capacity of soil is less, then the level of water in the bottle will be more. And if the water holding capacity of soil is more, the level of water in bottle will be less. Now observe that amount of water left in the funnel. So children, in sandy soil you will see that amount of water left in the funnel is less. In clayey soil it is medium and in alluvial soil it is more. If water holding capacity of soil is less, then amount of water in the funnel will be less. And if the water holding capacity of soil is more, the water left in the funnel will be more. Children, here it means that if the water holding capacity of soil is more, water will remain in the funnel, it will not drain into the jar. and if the water holding capacity of soil is less, the water will easily drain into the jar and it will not remain in the funnel. So children, try this activity at your home. This was for all today. We will meet in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye bye.